Beishan, Beishan, oh Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Little tiny village called Beishan, enveloped by the greater Zhuhai. Just on the other side from Macau. Hey, 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 ba, 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 Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Take me, take me, take me, take me, take me to Beishan. Show me, show me, show me Beishan. Let me see, let me see, let me see Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see?
Okay, we're gonna be going into Beishan village, which is straight ahead. Didn't know there was like a little walking path thing here. It's also on that side. Try not to move the camera too much, but yeah, we're gonna walk into Beishan village, and it's filled with like desserts. Dessert shop right here is why. Meat, restaurants, bars, all kinds of cool stuff. So let me put this on the map so you know exactly where we are. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. Okay. Try to walk. Try not to walk too fast. But we're gonna try to get into it a little bit and kind of show you what it looks like. The lights are coming on for some of the buildings and some of them they're not quite yet. I'm going to explain it all to you in a moment. Let me get to the hot spot. Okay, so now we're getting into some interesting stuff. There's lots of these kind of barbecue places. We're just kind of meandering. I came in an angle that I usually don't come in, so I'm kind of trying to familiarize myself with exactly where I am as well. And this street looks like the busier street among them, so we're gonna go down this way. I would attempt to walk a little bit slower so I can capture it. I kind of looking for more density of people and more before I slow down too much. There's a hand cream chip. So there's all kinds of cool stuff everywhere, right? Barbershop to the left. Let's see. Some nice artwork right there. Let's see. Stuff on all the different sides. So this is kind of let's take a look. The key is for me not to move the camera around too much because it's quite easy to go left and right everywhere because there's stuff on both sides all around me. So let's just try to do this nice and slow. Oh, let's check this out. So this is what I mean by it's hard not to move around too much. But there's all this kind of characters that go up that way. Okay, let me see what else we got here. Could go down that way. And this window looks amazing as well. And I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably go where all the lighting is at, which looks like it's this way. There's another interesting place too. Tastic. More artwork right there too. That's kind of cool. Okay. Yeah, so basically Beishan Village is like a community that, that's a cool looking door. A community that's, kind of checking to see, looks like a bar, but it's not open yet. A community that used to be all kinds of different stuff, you know, just working, average people working everywhere, and in kind of smallish houses and apartments, and then it got converted all into kind of a hip, trendy, cool area. So now all these little shops are now bars and restaurants catering towards people that live around in here. Okay, you can see. And then you got some cool stuff like this. That's amazing. And I have walked in here a few times, so that there is some interesting stuff all the way down. Let me just walk down a little bit so I can give you a small taste of it. Yeah, you can definitely walk into this, and there's like stuff that I don't even know what it is yet. After house, it looks like maybe a izakaya kind of thing. Chicken rice, bazaar. It looks like that might be the inside of this restaurant. And then you can even see, like, this is actually a little glass encased thing with a light lantern in there, so they might be able to put chairs up there sometimes. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down that way. Let me just see if we can. Let's see what this one is too. Oh. I am going to walk in it slightly. I just want to see what's in here. So it looks like another space, and wow, there's stuff all the way down here too. Super, yeah. Yeah, I like it because there's also like apartments up there, like right above. You can see some other stuff, some signs from other stuff up on top. Okay, so let's come on out again. And I kind of want to look at all the different ways, so let's just take a look down here real quick. So this one will have this entrance. I'm just going to go down briefly. It's a little crowded, and there's a lot of different directions to go. But it's definitely a good direction to go as well. Check all these out. Nice places to sit. Then there's a whole other direction down this way. And you could definitely explore up and down all these. Huh. Mushrooms. But, oh, there's even a gecko there. Okay, so we're gonna come back out. Yeah, the lighting is amazing. You can kind of see the sun. So I want to keep going down this way because it's all kind of interesting. Hello.
Hello.
There's like places you can sit outside. He's kind of watching the camera, so I wanted to say hi to him because I'm filming him. Inadvertently, wasn't my intention. Kind of cool. Yeah, the lighting is just about perfect right now too. Let's see. sweet time. Okay. Oh, we're not even at the spot I thought we were at. That's okay. We might have to do 2 videos because there's a lot to see in Beishan, and I can't do it all within 15 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk around the corner. And we're gonna find an ending spot because there's some live music, and then we're gonna do a different one. There's actually a convenience store on the corner as well. And we're gonna go down this way. So there's a convenience store, you can buy cigarettes, ice cream, even juice, fresh apples, oranges. Okay. So I'm gonna come up to where they have some live music in a kind of center space, and then we're gonna end it for this particular video. And then I'll do another one where I start at this one, so I'll have a different Beishan Village one. It's kind of a cool space too. I hope that music is live. If it's recorded music, it'll affect my video. So if it does, and I have to end the music or changes, that's going to be why. But we're going to come up to this little centerpiece corner, and then we're going to end the video. Yeah, there's a little plaza right in here. And then people will hang out here, as you can see. And then there's a musician.
I never felt so low when I was in battle. Who was that foe to lie to break down my walls? Cause it feel like
There's more stuff over this way too.
you look at the moon, show baby you should go and love it. And if you think tonight you're holding something you should go.
Pretty cool. So we're gonna end our video right here. Okay. Beishan Village.